Good evening, guys. We're here now in Sereneo finally. So, Alveo's 6th residential village in the valley. And also, it's just beside with Mondia, ang ating panglimang village where you can see there are already houses. Tapos, doon, I'll show the Miriam College naman. Patawarin nyo ako guys, no? Kasi gabi na kami dumating dito. We came all the way from Batangas. We checked Areza and we checked South Palm Grove. Ngayon, ito na yung pinakabagong project ni Alveo, The Sereneo. We'll create a separate video showing the master plan, showing the site development plan ng village, the amenities. Pero for now, since it's already night time, makikita naman natin yung iba't ibang view dito in Nuvali. So the purpose of this video, guys, is to give you a nightlife tour ng Sereneo. Also, ano yung mga katabi niyang village? Meron tayong premier projects dito, Rio Monte, Andacillo, and yung bago nila, Enara. Ayan. So, ang daming projects ng Ayala Land dito. Specifically, Alveo and Premier kasi they're very aggressive sa side na to. So, in the future niyan, baka may potential na access papuntang Tagaytay pero di tayo pa sure kasi wala pa namang final plan. Pero ito talaga yung residential side dito sa Nuvali. Okay, so I'll show you naman on a later yung site development plan, ano yung tsura ng village ng Sereneo. So stay tuned. And Happy New Year, guys. In continuation, no, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung site development plan ng Sereneo. So, ito yung main entrance. Can you go there para ma-zoom in natin? Ayan. Dito naman ang clubhouse. Diyan yung mga amenities natin such as pool, multi-purpose court, pocket gardens. You have the secondary entrance here. Ayan. And then, of course, yung mga lots na in-offer natin. Dito, yung phase 2 and phase 1. So, you have few lots remaining sa phase 1 and then of course, we have options here naman sa phase 2. What's special with Sereneo also is this is the next generation of how an Alveo develop a community. As you can see the clubhouse, this is way bigger than our previous projects. Multi-purpose court, tapos you have a bigger pool, and then mas marami na siyang amenities. And also, yung open space niya, pahaba na yan, napakahaba. And marami din tayong pocket gardens like this one, ito, and dito. So ang purpose niyan, every 100 or 200 meter radius, laging may open space. So if you have pets na you wanted to walk, or you just want a quiet space, madami tayong greenery dito sa project na to. Or if ever may guest ka, no, na habang nagpe-prepare ka, you can, gusto mo silang pwede mong patambayin sa mga pocket gardens natin. Dito din, guys, since na-mention ko kanina, si Sereneo ang highest elevation sa lahat ng Alveo projects. You can see 199 above sea level to 224 above sea level. So if i-zoom in mo pa, may mga gently rolling terrain siya. So iba't iba yung colors niya. Ibig sabihin, dito natin makikita yung kung saang elevation ng lote na pipiliin ninyo. As this part, ito yung phase 1. Dito yung phase 2. So bagong open lang yan. Nasa introduction price pa lang. Very sulit if in the market ka, no, ng pag-check ng lote. Ito yung main entrance. Dadaan tayo ng Evolving Parkway, which is dyan sa labas kanina. Medyo madilim lang ngayon. And then this is the clubhouse where all our amenities is. And then you have the secondary entrance dito. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Eddie, your real estate guy, and if you do enjoy this kind of contents, please subscribe. If you have questions or concerns, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to address it. Also, if you'd like to schedule a viewing or request a sample computation, give a call. Andyan lang yung number ko sa screen. See you on the next video. Bye guys.